So for marinating the chicken tikka, here I've got yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, about 3.5 tablespoons. Again, it depends on the amount of chicken you have. To this, I'm going to add some chili powder, a generous amount of chili powder. Some people they resort to using red color as well. I'm not using any color, so I've got generous amount of chili powder. Here I put a 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt. So I'm using sea salt. Alright, some mustard oil, about 2 pinches of garam masala powder. It looks rough because we pound it ourselves at home. And some lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons, and then we mix the marination well. In case you want to give it some more color, and I think I'll give it some more color, I'll put some more red chili powder, but I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. So if you like the spicy one, you can use the spicy ones as well. So mix the marination well. I'm using chicken thigh with the bone. You can use the boneless ones as well. Okay, so I dip the chicken thighs with the bone, and then I coat with the marination. So the chicken has been marinated. I put them in a tray and let it marinate for about 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. Longer you want to keep it. And I make sure I coat it with the marination. And that's it. It goes in the fridge and stays there for 5 to 6 hours before we start cooking again. So as you know, the chicken thighs have been marinating for about 6 to 7 hours now. As I don't have a tandoor at home, I have got this little oven. I've set the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. It has been heating up for like 15 minutes now, and now we are going to put the chicken straight in the oven. If you don't like your oven to be messy, you can line up with an aluminum foil like I did. But still, I have got a roasting pan. And then need to catch all the drippings. Okay, so it stays in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes now. In the meanwhile, like halfway through, we're going to bust it with ghee or butter, and then we probably will turn the pieces as well, and then we'll see. Okay, so to make chicken makhni or murg makhni, we have got some prepared makhni gravy that we showed you in the last video. In case you cannot find the link, it is on the right hand side of the video. There's a quick link for it. Alright, and here is the chicken tikka that we made today. It is good as well too if you want to eat right now with a squeeze of lemon or some onion. And all we have to do is heat the chicken through this gravy. You might put a little water if you like. Many times they're cooked, like removed from the oven, from the tandoor immediately, and then straight to the gravy. So we cook it for we heat up for some time, and then maybe about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll do the final seasoning. So the chicken is now heated through, and now it's time to finish the murg makhni. So we put a generous amount of cream. I've already checked the salt. It is salty enough. If the tomatoes are too sour, usually people recommend that you finish with some honey. Some people they use sugar. Alright, so we have put the cream already. Just a pinch of garam masala powder. And some kasuri methi. So that's it. Our chicken makhni or murg makhni is ready, and now I will show you how to plate this chicken. So here I've got a bowl, put some chicken pieces, cover it with some gravy. If you think the gravy is too thick, then you can thin it with some water. Put some ghee on top. And some cream. Additionally, you can garnish with some ginger julienne as well. And that's it. Enjoy. So don't forget to like our channel, leave a comment if you make this one, or if you have any special requests that you want to see in near future, and share our videos with your friends, your family members, in your social media, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon in case you want to receive the latest update of the channel. Thank you so much, and see you soon.